Is the Newton app legit? Intro. Hook. Ever heard of an app that promises to make your life easier by doing your homework for you? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what the Newton app claims to do. But is it really legit? Context. In today's fast-paced world, students are always looking for shortcuts to help them manage their workload. The Newton app seems to offer just that, promising to solve any math problem, write essays, and even complete coding assignments. But before you dive in and start relying on it, let's take a closer look at what the Newton app is really capable of. Part 1. The claims. What the app promises. Let's break down the main features and claims made by the Newton app. Math problem solver. Can it solve complex equations, calculus problems, and even geometry proofs? Essay writer. Can it generate well-written essays on various topics, including academic papers and creative writing? Coding assistant. Can it help with coding assignments, writing code snippets, and debugging errors? User testimonials. What are users saying about the app's capabilities? Are there any success stories or positive reviews? Part 2. The reality. Limitations and drawbacks. While the Newton app may seem impressive at first glance, it's important to consider its limitations. Accuracy. How accurate are the app's solutions? Are there instances where it provides incorrect answers? Originality. Does the app generate truly original content, or does it rely on existing information? Plagiarism. Can the app's output be flagged for plagiarism? Depth of understanding. Can the app truly understand the underlying concepts and principles behind the problems it solves? Expert opinions. What do experts in the field think about the Newton app? Are there any concerns or criticisms raised by educators or academics? Part 3. Alternatives and considerations. Other options. If the Newton app isn't the right choice for you, what are some alternative resources or tools that can help with your studies? Online tutoring. Consider platforms that offer live tutoring sessions with qualified instructors. Educational websites. Explore websites that provide educational content, study materials, and practice problems. Library resources. Don't forget about the wealth of resources available at your local library. Ethical considerations. It's important to consider the ethical implications of using an app like Newton. Academic integrity. Is relying on an app to complete assignments cheating? Learning and understanding. Does using an app hinder the learning process? Future implications. How might excessive reliance on AI tools affect future academic and professional success? Conclusion. Summary. Let's recap the key points discussed in the video. The Newton app promises to solve various academic tasks, but does it deliver? What are the limitations and drawbacks of the app? Are there any ethical concerns to consider? Final thoughts. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use the Newton app is up to you. It's important to weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks and make an informed choice. Call to action. If you've had personal experience with the Newton app, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's have a discussion about the pros and cons of using AI tools for academic purposes. End screen. Include relevant links to additional resources, educational websites, or tutoring services. And, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.